why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 15 cars? Cause we all just don't wanna be big rock stars and living. I spy with my little eye a girlie I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever. Stop! Brother, help me! Long live the king. That you only meant well, cause you did so much to say that we know that it's all for the best, because it Gucci gang. Whoa. That's it right now. Look on. Yeah. Gucci gang. Oh. Yeah. Big head. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on a new chain. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend.
You sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Slavic Birmingham, you're anti-Slavic, that's what I do.
We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.